What's up, world? Soup.tv. Here, of course, in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm standing here near 215 and Jones, but as you can see behind me, I'm at the Tesla Service Center, surrounded by all this future tech. Shout out to 16-year-old me, we made it. They're not flying yet, but they're pretty cool. Anyways, first topic of cars is my top 3 vehicles as a teenager. Things that got me into the whole high-octane lifestyle, chasing cars and just wanting to be behind the wheel of some super machine. And in no particular order, of course, we're going to start with the first one. The Mustang Cobra. Ford did themselves up with that. I used to have this thing where I wanted a convertible one with the 5-star roll bar and 100-spoke rims. It might have looked good back in 2001, but now that I think about it, that's ugly as shit. So, moving on. The second car that I fell in love with was the Dodge Viper. First one I seen, this black guy rolled up in it, had a silver wrap, or maybe it was a silver paint. I don't know if they were doing wraps then, but it's the first time I got this close to one. So I touched it, obviously. It's not real unless you touch it, and yeah, fell in love. But number 3. More towards my senior year, graduating, 2002 era, the Lamborghini Murcielago. Man, when that fucking car came out with the bat wings, I fell in love again with cars, but more importantly that one. Today I even think it's more beautifully put together than the Aventador. Won't say it's as fast, but it is beautiful, you know. And I have 2 honorable mentions. Of course, there's the Fast and Furious Nissan Skyline GTR. To be specific, the BNR 34. It didn't necessarily have anything to do with Fast and Furious, but that sure did cement my love for that car and others. But again, this is an honorable mention. It's not one of my first and original. One more honorable mention is shit, did I forget? Yep. Mitsubishi Lancer Evo. Let's say the 9 or the MR. I really want that car. I got into the whole Mitsubishi Subaru beef hype. I even mess with my neighbor who drives a WRX, but it's just playing games, man. All cars are cool, but my favorites are the better.